What's up mga chong? Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ngayong araw na ito is wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Eduk Fiesta sa aming department. So samahan nyo kami. Pero bago yan, intro muna tayo.
Nandito na si Chong Kilala ka, magbibigay ng aral at saya.
Ayan na, i-welcome na nila ako. I-welcome na nila ako. Ay, hindi pala.
The next level. And now may I request everyone to stand as the BPED students will present to us the College of Teacher Education Solidarity Dance.
Let's go!
Kaya again, to lead us.
Wala na iya ako.
Ayan, sige po lang mas muna.
Hey! Hey!
Anong sayaw nyo?
Ma'am, solidarity dance ng Edo. Solidarity dance ng Edo, teacher education. So, ayun nila.
Blue on the ground, blue in the sky. CT stand up, this is our time. From heart to mind, we educate right. Have an education, money in the sky. We walk with purpose, heads held high. Built by wisdom, reaching for the sky. Future shapers, classroom dreamers. We don't just teach, we're the believers. From lessons learned to values shown in every act, excellence is known. Who runs deep in all we do? Discipline, integrity, service. Not just knowledge, not just skill. It's how we live, it's how we feel. Clean in mind, clean in heart. Educating skill, that's so long. We are the home of the few. The beauty that champions blue. We rise as one, strong and true. CTE, this is who we are. We rise, lead ways every day. What can do, come on, it's God. Say it loud, say it proud. CTE, we stand out from the crowd. We stand firm, we rise with purpose. CTE is our faith, CTE is our victory. Service first in every step. We lead with care, with full respect. From practice hearts to real life scenes. We teach by heart, we live what it means. Not perfect, but we strive to be better educators, unity. Blue is more than just a hue, it's a promise we stay true to. Education is our flame, integrity is our daily thoughts, clean goal. Teachers of tomorrow, shining bright. We are the home of the few, the beauty that champions blue. Together we rise, together we move. CTE, nothing we can do. Say it loud, feel it true. Come on, lead us, God. People, community, college of teacher, education, solidarity. Blue pride, clean minds, CTE till the end of time. Blue pride, clean minds, CTE till the end of
Truly that we are the few, the proud, and the champions. And we are straight into the gates and Tagisan. We would also like to thank the Dio dancers for leading us and crafting the new CTE Solidarity Dance. Let's give them a round para po sa ating Tagisan ng Talino. Anything that you are willing to give up.
I'm waiting to give my
Or
heart.
something. Huwag naman yung puso mo, Abes. Batyo! Bakit ka nagputan? Bigyan ka! Ulo po! Ikot!
babaeng saksakan ng ganda. All tricks na sa kanya. Hindi
Oh, oh.
my vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Nalpasi!
So as we
Tapos na ang morning, Mochoy! So ngayon, pupunta kami mag-uukay kasi nga, wala pa kami susutin. Oh.
again, meron pong booth ang Mang Inasal and Two Brothers po sa likod ng CAS building if you want to buy your
Sana all naka-chill-chill lang. Okay, we're here na. May nakita kaming green. Ay, may nakita akong green doon na pants. So, I guess. Kakrop top na lang ata ako eh.
Walang plano, walang script, basta tunay solid trip, mali ang dak, okay lang, nadapat, tawa lang, lahat ng inutunan ko, journey ko,
Ay, hindi pa. Maniit sa akin. Sayang maliit. Tirik na tirik yung araw. Oh. Buti ikaw may pangtakip ka. Ako salong-salo ng mukha ko. Kasi mahihiya. Di ka rin lang naman nila maaalala mamaya pag nakalampas ka sa kanila. Huwag kayong mahiya kasi kapag nahihiya kayo, malilimit yung mga gusto nyong gagawin sa buhay. Kaya kung gusto nyong free lang kayo, gusto nyong gagawa nyo yung mga gusto nyo, huwag kayong mahiya. Ano, feel the beat. So, ano daw, maglalakad daw kami by partner. So, find your partner. So, ayan na, kasama ko na siya. At maglalakad kami doon sa red carpet. May nilapag silang red carpet doon. Doon daw maglalakad ata. Tama? Tama. Meron? Wala? Wala.
Wala na, sa last pa talaga tayo dyan.
So, daming people. Ang daming people.
A few moments later.
nandito na si Chongko, kilala ka, magbibigay ng aral at saya, samahan niyo ako, tara, tara, malungkot man o masaya, tara, let's go!
So, yun mga chong, papunta na kaming pageant sa school. Mr. and Miss CTE. So, sasayaw kami doon for production. And ayan, papunta na kami. Papunta na kami.
Angkat yung bukto.
Hey!
Sino ginagawa?
Ayan na! Start na!
Siyempre, hindi naman sila magpapakusi.
Okay, ginawa. Thank you, ma'am.
Parinig naman ako, ma'am! Sigaw!
Ay, yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Meron pa mamaya, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Partikulado yun. Are you ready to move? UMF! UMF here! College of Teacher Education.
6.5 hours later.
Teacher Education.
Ay, mga syong.
Certificate of Appreciation is presented to Miss Jerlyn Joel in appreciation of her exceptional
Welcome to my guys.
So, binigyan kami ng kape kasi nga, sumayaw
Same
kami sa
certificate is
introduction.
awarded to
Introduction, production.
Introduce yourself.
Jewel. And same certificate is also given to Tekote. Same certificate is also given
located at Kilos Boulevard, Caloocan, Bandang, Nueva Vizcaya. Melrose, located on the second floor, Bandang Public Market. Big Blue, located at Rizal Boulevard, Bangot Bandang, Nueva Vizcaya. Whataburger, we deliver joy to every heart. Owned by
Hi, po! Meron niya. Na-upload ko yung speech niya.
Momo.
Nakakayak kanina. Nakakayak kanina. Pero syempre, bigger stage na. Bigger stage na siya, sasali.
Lumalabas talaga guys. Kahit na anong tigil ko,
Kaya
wala.
nga, talagang nakaka-touch kaya, nakaka-touch. Oo, stage na, lumevel up na siya. Juliet! Juliet!
Stress ako mo sumisimula.
Ayaw mo na ka ng boses. I-upload ko kami episode. Ginuhanan ko yan lahat. So I guess that's it. Champion of the Mr. and Miss CTE is the Bachelor of Physical Education sa lalaki, then ano sa babae? Fioma, English. English major naman dun sa babae. So, it's a win-win. Pareho sila magaling actually. Magaling sila. Ang galing nila, promises. Ang galing nila sumagot. Like, kung gusto nyo makita, mapanood yung sagot nila doon sa question, ipopost ko siya, i-upload ko siya sa aking Facebook page. Visit nyo na ng Facebook page ko. Ayun. I guess it's a wrap. It's uwian time na. See you sa next vlog. Maraming salamat. Hanggang dito na lang. Paalam!